You see the jet? It's all about timing. Producer Dave, here we go. Let's call the race out in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It is go, 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 and race on, Yuma! There we go, accelerating now well beyond 180. Dave's calling the strings in my ear. Yep, there we go, all the way down the runway, 348 miles an hour, just under the max speed there. The 350, hard to believe how fast that jet truck accelerates. A big round of applause.